Welcome here. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much for doing that. And if you're new here, make subscribe, like, share, and comment. Welcome here. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much for doing that. And if you're new here, make subscribe, like, share, and comment. Uhawe ikaze hano. Niba waramaze gukora subscribe, warakoze cyane bikora. Kandi niba uri mushya hano, bikore kugira ngo notification zacu zose zizajye zikugeraho. Aha niho hantu hanyaho wakwigira. Let's get started. Let's get start our lesson. Reka dutangire isomo ryacu. Yes, reka turebe indamukanyo. Akenshi na kenshi hari zo dusanganywe tuzi, hakaba n'izindi z'abanyamahanga, American greetings cyangwa se American greetings. Hakabamo natwe izo dukunze kumenya kenshi na kenshi. Hari hi. Hi rero na hey na hello na what's up. Izi zikoreshwa igihe cyari cyo cyose, niyo yaba ari mu gitondo, niyo yaba ari saa sita, igihe cyose wemerewe kuzikoresha. Ariko good morning ntushobora kuyikoresha kigoroba cyangwa mu masaa sita wapi. Ni ukuvuga ngo izi zo zirazwa kenshi na kenshi zirubahirizwa. Good morning rero ikoreshwa mu gitondo. Good afternoon rero igakoreshwa kuva saa sita kugeza saa munani cyangwa se saa cyenda. Iyo uvuye mu masaa cyenda ukageza bwije ukoresha good evening. Wibuke yuko aya magambo uko uyabona yose ni indamutso tuba twizeye natwe tugomba gukoresha. Izi zose wazisuhuza buri muntu wese yakwikiriza nta kibazo. How are you? Who are you? How are you? Amakuru yanyu? Amakuru yanyu? I'm fine. I am fine. Ni meza. Cyangwa se ugakomeza ngo I'm good. I'm okay. I'm very good. I'm cool. Cyangwa se ugashyiraho n'irindi rivuga ngo I'm great. I'm great. Izi zose ni inyikirizo z'uwaba ukubajije amakuru yawe. Ni meza, ni byiza, bimeze neza, byiza cyane se cyangwa se tumeze neza. Who are you? Who are you itandukanye na how are you. Biratandukanye. Hamwe barakubaza ngo amakuru yanyu, ahandi bakakubaza ngo muri bande. I am James. Ndi James. What about you? What about you? American greetings. American. Can say what about you? What about you? Like that. Always. I am Carissa. I am Carissa. Ndi Carissa. Ndi Carissa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Ni byiza guhura nawe. Ni byiza guhura namwe. Nice to meet you too. Cyangwa se ukavuga so am I. Nanjye nuko. Nice to meet you. Natwe ni byiza guhura namwe. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are are you? Ufite imyaka ingahe? Ufite imyaka ingahe? How old are you? I am 40 years old. I am 40 years old. Hari abantu bakunda kuvuga ngo I am 40 years old. Ntabwo ufite amatwi 40 rwose, ntabwo bishoboka. Iyo tuvuga years ntabwo tuba tuvuze year. Year ni amatwi, naho years ni imyaka. Mfite imyaka 40. Mfite imyaka 40. What about you? What about you? Always. According to me, I'm still young. According to me, I'm still young. Ubwanjye ndicyari muto. Cyangwa se kubwanjye ndicyari muto. Where do you live exactly? Where do you live exactly? Utuye he? Nyirizina. Utuye he? Nyirizina. Cyangwa se utuye he? Iyo bashyizeho kariya kajambo exactly, nyirizina abashaka aho hantu neza kugira ngo abashe kuba yahamenya. Ariko umubwiye ngo where do you live, umubwiye ngo utuye he, niyo yakubwira i Remera, Kanombe, ntiwapfa kumenya icyo gice. I live in Kigali. I live in Kigali. Ntuye muri Kigali. Ntuye muri Kigali. What about you? What about you? Always. I live Kanombe. I live Kanombe. Ntuye Kanombe. Ntuye i Kanombe. Do you have your parents? Do you have your parents? Ntabwo bavuga parenti cyangwa se parents, bavuga parents. Do you have your parents? Ufite ababyeyi? Ufite ababyeyi? Hariya yamubazaga yuko niba afite ababyeyi cyangwa se atabafite amusobanurire, kuko bari bahuye bari kubazanya amakuru kugira ngo babashe gukominikana. No, I'm orphan. No, I am orphan. Orphan ni imfubyi. Ni imfubyi ituruka ku nshinga orphan, cyangwa se ku bantu bavuze ngo orphrena. Niho kari akajambo katurutse abana b'imfubyi. Ndi imfubyi. Sorry, my brother. Ihangane muvandi. What do you need? Ukeneye iki? I need to help you. Nkeneye kugufasha. Thank you so much. Yes. May you remind me your name? May you remind me your name? Mwanyibutsa izina ryanyu. Sorry, try do. I'm James. Sorry, try do. I'm James. Yigo nibyo, ndi James. I think when you told me you're still young. Frankly speaking, how old are you? I think when you told me you're still young, frankly speaking. How old are you? Ndatekereza ko wambwiye kuri cyari umwana. Uvugishije ukuri ufite imyaka ingahe? Ndatekereza ko wambwiye ngo uri cyari umwana. Uvugishije ukuri ufite imyaka ingahe? I'm sorry, please. I apologize for that. I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm sorry, please. I apologize for that. I am going to tell you the truth. Ndakwinginze mbabarira. Reka nze nkubwize ukuri. Ndakwinginze mbabarira. Reka nze nkubwize ukuri. Ahangaha abari gusaba imbabazi kuko nyine aba yakoze amakosa atamubwije ukuri, akamubwira ati I'm sorry, please, I apologize for that. Yeah, thank you. I wait for you to reply. Yeah, thank you. I'm waiting for your reply. Yego, murakoze. Bategerejeho igisubizo. Yego, murakoze. Bategerejeho igisubizo. Friend, I thought of you have already forgiven me. Friend, I thought of you have already forgiven me. Nshuti, natekereje ko mwamaze kumbabarira. Nshuti, natekereje ko mwamaze kumbabarira. Don't worry. You're sorry. Tell me. Don't worry. You are sorry. Tell me. Don't worry. You are sorry. Tell me. Ntugire ikibazo, wamaze kuzihabwa mbwira. Ntugire ikibazo, wamaze kuzibwirwa. Wamaze kuzihabwa mbwira. Yeah. I'm 30 years old and I'm still searching. I'm 30 years old and I'm still searching. Mfite imyaka 30 kandi ndacyashakisha. Nothing else. Nta bindi. This is the end of my reply. This is the end of my reply. Iri ni iherezo ry'ibisubizo byanjye. Iri ni iherezo ry'ibisubizo byanjye. Okay? Let's go on. Let's go on. Iriya on ni igikorwa kiba gikomeje, niyo mpamvu twashyizeho on. Let's go on. Let's keep on. Like that. N'ibindi. Noneho reka dukomeze. I will make you a good support. Nzakurema umufasha mwiza. From now I believe it. Me too, I believe it.